Hello friends, good morning. Today we will revise the poem 6, The Wonderful World, which is written by Mary O. Nails with some question answer and fill in the blanks. Let's start the poem The Wonderful World, which is written by Mary O'Neill. Imagine a world without language. All humans speak at least one language. The words we speak bring out our thought. Read the following poem on words. Never let a thought shrivel and die for want of a way to say it. For English is a wonderful game and all of you can play it. All that you do is match the words to the brightest thoughts in your head so that they come out clear and true and handsomely groomed and fed. For many of the loveliest things have never you seen said. Here in this stanza, the word several means shrink or fade, that means chikurjana. Want, that means lack, that means above coming. Brightest, that means best. Thoughts, that means ideas. Head, that means mind, dimag. Handsomely, that means in a beautiful manner. Groomed, that means polished. Fade, that means made meaningful. Loveliest, that means most impressive or interesting. Sarvottam, Sundar. Here, all the peoples thinks as well as speak. It is God's special gift to man. Every people speaks at least one language to express his thoughts. The poet advises us to master a language, at least our mother tongue. We must not let a great or good thoughts die because we don't know how to say it. English is a wonderful and rich language. One can express one's thought in this language effectively. What we need is to look for proper words to put forth our ideas clearly. It is wrong to think that there are no lovely thoughts left to be expressed. Words are the food and dress of thoughts. They give it its body and swings. And everyone's longing today to hear some praise and beautiful things, but only words can free a thoughts from its prison behind your eyes. Maybe your mind is holding now a marvelous new surprise. In this stanza, food, that means things that animals or people eat. Dress, that means clothing. Body, that means form. Shrink, that means moment. Longing, that means wishing, desiring. Phrase, that means new, original. Thing, that means idea, description. Free, that means let out. Prison, behind your eyes. That means mind, brain. Holding, keeping ready, having inside. Marvelous, that means excellent, wonderful. New surprise, that means new, exciting ideas. Words are wonderful medium to communicate to each other. If you have some new and beautiful things to say, everyone is willing to hear it. Everyone thought is like a prisoner in our mind. We can see that idea is free with the help of words. It is just possible that the thought may be marvelous, thought may be excellent and beautiful. Shortly, we can say that in this poem, the wonderful words, the poet feels that it is extremely important for each one of us to be able to express ourselves in a language. The poet feels that knowing a language never lets a thought fade away. She tells us how English language can be used as a wonderful game by anyone who knows it. In this game, words can be used to match with our thoughts to express ideas clearly and truly. The poet feels that many of these ideas have not been said or presented due to lack of vocabulary. The poet further adds that words are like food and dresses that gives shape and moment to our thoughts. Everyone longs to hear praise thought. Only words help us to free these thoughts from our mind. The poet feels that once an idea is free from mind and beautiful thoughts might comes out. That means make our ideas and thought marvelous by our wonderful words. This poem is written by Mary O'Neill. Okay, my dear. Now we are going to learn about some question answer and fillings the blanks. Question number 1A. Choose the correct option. First, what are the food and dress of thought? Here the options are idea, B. things, C. words, D. minds. Here the correct answer is words. Words are the food and dress of thought. Second, which language is called wonderful game? English, B. Marathi, C. Telugu, D. Gujarati. Here English is called a wonderful game. According to the poem, the wonderful words. 3 number, what help us to express our thoughts and ideas? Letters, B. things, C. words, D. minds. Here the correct answer is words. Words help us to express our thoughts. 4th number, in which every thoughts and ideas are expressed. Ideas, B. words, C. things, D. minds. Here the correct answer is words. Every thoughts and ideas are expressed in words. Who has written the poem The Wonderful Words? John Galsworthy, W.B. Yeats, Mary O'Neill's, and D. Harry Potter. Here the correct answer is Mary O'Neill's. Whom are the people always eager to hear? A good speaker, a good leader, businessman, an honest man. Here the correct answer is the people always eager to hear, a good speaker. The people are always eager to hear, a good speaker. Now question number 1b. Fill in the blanks. The poet asks us to think and find dash to express our ideas clearly. Here the correct answer is proper words. The poet asks us to think and find proper words to express our ideas clearly. English is rich in dash. Here vocabulary. The correct answer is vocabulary. English is rich in vocabulary. Dash are shut up in the prison house of the mind. Here the correct answer is our thoughts are shut up in the prison house of the mind. Fourth number, according to the poet, a lot is left unsaid because of dash. Here the correct answer is lack of expression. Fifth number, we play the game of dash by using our presence of mind and talent. We play the game of dash by using our presence of mind and talent. Here the correct answer is words. We play the game of words by using our presence of mind and talent. Give question number 2a. Give the meaning of words. Shrivel. First is S-H-I-R-I-V-E-L. Shrivel, that means shrink and fade. F-A-D-E. Brightest, B-R-I-G-H-T-E-S-T. Brightest, that means best, very good. Head, H-E-A-D. Head, that means our mind. Mind, head means that means mind. Fourth, F-E-D. Fade, that means made, meaningful. Fifth number, swing, S-W-I-N-G. Swing, that means movement. 6. Body, body, that means form, F-O-R-M. 7. Marvelous, M-A-R-V-E-L-L-O-U-S. Marvelous, that means wonderful. 8. Longing, L-O-N-G-I-N-G. Longing, that means wishing. Longing, that means wishing. Write true or false against each sentences. First is speakers, forms, ideas and thoughts. Here this sentence is false. Second, the language can play with the language. According to the poem, this sentence is true. Words never expressed ideas and thoughts. according to the poem The Wonderful Words, this sentence is false. An idea is free from mind. According to this poem, The Wonderful Words, this sentence is true. Now, question number 2C. Match the following. Here in the section A, the words are given, and section number B, the meaning of words is given. Here all the answer is true. Groom, that means polish. Fresh, that means original. Handsomely, that means in beautiful manner. Surprise, that means exciting ideas. Surprise, that means exciting ideas. Repeat again this. Groom, that means polish. Fresh, that means original. Handsomely, that means in beautiful manner. Surprise, that means exciting manner. Now, question number 3A. Complete the lines of the poem. You will write down the answer of these questions. Complete the line of the poem. You write down the poem number 6, The Wonderful Words, in your notebook with the help of your textbook. Now, question number 3B. Answer the following questions in one sentence. First is, why did the poet urge everyone to learn English in the poem The Wonderful Words? The poet urged everyone to learn English so that no thought dies out in our mind without being expressed. Why is English called wonderful game? English is called wonderful game because it can be learnt and used easily. Here, when the question is asked with WH word Y, we write down the reason of the result or action. Question number 3. What helps us to express our thought? Words helps us to express our thoughts. Question number 4. What is everyone longing to hear today? People are longing to hear fresh thoughts and ideas. According to the poet, what is our mind holding? According to the poet, our mind is perhaps holding a beautiful new thoughts and ideas. Give the synonyms of the word marvelous. That means give the meanings of the word marvelous. That is excellent and wonderful. Okay, my dear, I hope that you have learned this revision of the poem 6 Wonderful Words very well and write down in your notebook. Okay, thank you very much.